friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking red potatoes in a microwave. So what we need is red potatoes, butter and seasonings. I'm going to use salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. So those red potatoes, please wash them first. I already washed them before making the video. And you don't have to peel them. Their peel is totally edible, but if you'd like, of course you can, but I never peel them. The less work, the better. So, and here I have a microwave safe dish with a cover. So I'm going to cut red potatoes. You can cut them in halves or quarters if they're larger, so just make sure the pieces are uniform. So after you cut the potatoes and put them in a microwave safe dish, now I'm going to add pieces of butter. Now butter is totally optional. If you don't want to use it, just leave it out, but it really adds the flavor. Butter is so good with potatoes. So I'm just going to add a few pieces of butter. And sprinkle the seasonings. So this is salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. And I'm going to close it, and this is also a microwave safe lid, and let's put it in the microwave. And I'm going to microwave it for 7 minutes on high. So now the microwave is done cooking, so let's take a look. So to make sure the potatoes are ready, just pierce it with a fork and make sure it's soft because all microwaves cook differently. So yeah, mine are totally cooked, and if yours are still hard, when you pierce them with a fork, just add more cooking time. So this is totally cooked, and I'm going to take it out. Just make sure you use oven mitts or a towel because this is very hot. Perfect. They look so good. And you know, if you can also mix them together. Make sure they're evenly coated with butter. This butter has melted in the microwave. And you can always add more seasonings to taste if you'd like. Perfect. These potatoes look amazing, and it was so easy to cook them in a microwave. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. They taste amazing. Perfectly cooked, perfectly seasoned. Who would think this is done in a microwave? It looks so good. That's a perfect side dish. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!